Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change default SMS app to Truecaller on any Android phone. Now first of all, just open Play Store and in the search bar just search Truecaller and install this app. Now once you have installed this app, just go to your home screen and open settings and in the search bar just search default app. Now just tap on choose default apps. Then go to choose default apps and from here just tap on SMS app. Now instead of your default messages app just select Truecaller. And this is how you can change default SMS app to Truecaller on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.